Staples, the world's leading office supply chain, began in 1986 with a single store in Brighton, Massachusetts. Since then, the company has grown to 1,400 stores in 6 countries, generating $11 billion in annual revenue. That revenue comes from nearly 10 million storefront, online, and catalog customers. The company integrates customer and sales data from all its channels into a single location. By analyzing that data, they can monitor and predict customer behavior and develop targeted marketing strategies for greater profitability.
Philosophically, having a very large volume of information on how our customers behave allows us to make much better decisions in providing them with what they want from us. We have customers that shop all 3 of our major channels, Staples.com, Staples catalog, and our retail stores. We need to be able to understand their behavior across all 3 channels, because multi-channel customers are more valuable to us from everything we have seen than single-channel customers.
To analyze the 60 to 100 million transactions it processes each month, Staples uses the SAS Solutions for Customer Relationship Management. The resulting information helps the office supplies giant attract and retain high-value customers and reduce churn.
The lifetime value of a customer is critical to us because it is so much easier and cheaper to maintain a customer than it is to acquire one. We want to make sure that in using SAS to analyze our customers' behavior, we want to make sure we are continuing to keep our best customers, which are those that are likely to have the largest lifetime value to us. So we do a significant amount of lifetime value analysis, which requires processing large amounts of information, and SAS is very, very helpful there.
First thing we have to do is get the information, and SAS is unequaled in pulling information from a whole variety of sources in all sorts of formats. We do that, we get the data together, and we have to pull it from many, many sources. Then the powerful analytics that give us the tools to understand what's going on. And finally, a tremendously powerful programming language that allows us to then build production systems that are based on what we learn from our analysis.
Staples' use of SAS for turning data into information extends to its market basket analysis.
We do a lot of work on basket of goods, what customers buy together when they come into us. What do they buy? If they buy a printer, do they buy paper to go with it? We do a lot of tracking. We have the transaction information from point of sale, and we use SAS to just screen through about 10 million records a week and identify certain key products and see whether other products are sold with it. That's actually used. That information is then passed to the stores so they can track how well they're doing at selling.
The company also uses SAS to evaluate customer behavior in existing stores and to help determine the most profitable locations for new stores.
I think the typical cost to close a store, and this doesn't include the costs of running a sub-performing, poorly performing store, but just the closing cost for a store can run anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million. The whole idea behind building the real estate model, the site evaluation model, is we are modeling the behavior of our customers relative to our stores. That means understanding and testing a lot of ideas about what works and what doesn't work. What we learn from that is how to better serve our customers, and as a result, we wind up as a much better company.
This constant striving for better customer relationship management is Staples' goal, and SAS is helping them get there, both today and for the future.
The use of SAS as our main analytic engine has allowed us to know an awful lot about our customers and about our sales, about our marketing vehicles, and I guess one could classify that as the power to know. It has been very powerful in providing us with the ability to know more about our business.
As we understand what drives our sales and our understanding becomes clearer, we're able to firm up our solutions and make them more robust and automate them so that eventually we hope to be at a menu-driven level and press a button and there's your forecast. And we see SAS can take us the whole way there.
SAS, giving the world's leading office supply chain a comprehensive understanding of their customers and their business. Giving Staples the power to know.